Are you a business owner or marketer and always wonder why your competitors' business pages are always active, full of posts, and so engaging? Do you find it hard to take out time for your business page every day to think of creative ideas, create posts, and share them on various social media channels like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Google+? Is it becoming difficult to manage so many social accounts for various brands, ventures, and businesses? What if you're able to add all your social media channels and multiple accounts on each channel to one software that can auto-schedule all of your posts ahead of time? This will make social media marketing as easy as ABC for you. A. Attract new visitors with regular posts. B. Business expansion with wide networking. C. Conversion through branding and engagement. You save loads of time and make more money, all with one software. But what's the best platform to avail all these services? Answer is Smartly Post. Smartly Post provides all that you're looking for, linking all social accounts' profile, pages, and groups at one place. Add, automate, and schedule updates. Categorization of content. Smart content. Self-filling queue. Nocturnal working. Smart analytics. Smartly Post lets you create your updates, save them, and schedule them for the desired time. It follows your command to it clearly takes away all the confusion and time consumption out of social media marketing and client engagement. This can help you ease up your time and keep your social media business pages fresh and consistent. Smartly Post can be your key resource to streamlining all of your social media activities. It makes publishing posts and sharing links easier and smarter. All this happens without spending time on social media every day. Just add posts to your preferred category, schedule them, and relax. Your business pages will stay active, consistent, and engaging without extra effort. Are you eager to give Smartly Post a try? It's free forever. Yes, you heard correctly. It's free forever. Just visit smartlypost.com and sign up today.